added more event to the panel. Just look at this. It as an owner event now. Just look at that. And I added credit. Just look at that. Credit to Winter Dev. And don't delete the credit because it would ruin the admin panel. I tried to delete it and it ruined the admin panel. So don't delete that. So yup, I added some owner events so you can see what is the owner events. And I will add more soon. Wait, let me add. Um, I will add a lock to wait. Lock section. There we go. Lock section. And then name this 12 times. 12 times. Okay. The admin panel pretty sick now. I will add a color too, so stay tuned. 12. There we go. Damn. It's looking sick now, buddy. Event section. I will add another panel to the announce. Hmm. This is event section and I will add another panel for the announcement or poll section. Okay, bye. Bye chat.